How much Yiddish did you learn in the Bialik school?
I don't know, enough that I didn't think very much at the time, to be quite honest. We had, our days were, the mornings were in English, and then in the afternoons it was all Hebrew from first grade on. So from first grade we already had the afternoons in Hebrew. We're learning Hebrew in the afternoons. And then I guess third grade they added Yiddish and French. And so the Yiddish was probably, I don't know, maybe an hour, 2 or 3 times a week, and same with the French. I guess I didn't think I learned that much of it. But I bet I did. I mean, we used the college Yiddish book was what they used, and then I didn't use Yiddish again until graduate school, and then I kind of just realized I could understand things that were written in Yiddish. I could read Yiddish and I understood them, and that's why I started using Yiddish again, I guess on a professional basis. So apparently we learned more than I thought we learned. I mean, we finished college Yiddish, which I guess is what they do now, in many colleges where they teach Yiddish still. So we went through that, and I guess it does get ingrained in you. I mean, clearly the languages that you learn at a younger age work, are retained in your memory better than those you learn later, even if it is only in a, kind of haphazard way of a couple hours a week. So something retained.